This video is a demonstration using the Meala Python API to automatically sync flight controller onboard logs with the Meala database in the cloud. I'm using a Raspberry Pi 4B plugged into a Cube Orange over USB, but you can use any single board Linux computer, any ArduPilot or PX4 flight controller, and connect them over any available serial interface. So let's go ahead and create some logs. I'll make a few logs to simulate a day of flying out in the field before returning to the workshop where the companion computer is connected to Wi-Fi. Alright, that'll do. So let's switch over to the Raspberry Pi. I've downloaded the Meala Python API and put it in a folder called lib, so this first cell just imports the module. In the second cell, I create an instance of Meala, specify the serial port that the flight controller is connected to, and sync all the logs from the flight controller to the companion computer. This bit can take a little while, so any logs that already exist on the companion computer are not re-downloaded. I can run the cell again and you'll see that it skips all the logs that are already downloaded. So here I'm going to ping the Meala server and just keep looping until I get something back to show I'm connected to the internet. For me this happens instantly, but you could use this to indicate to the companion computer that it's arrived back at the workshop or landed in the dock and is ready to upload to the cloud. Then it's as easy as calling the sync remotes function and watching the data appear in the cloud. You can supply some boilerplate metadata for all logs uploaded this way, or have the companion computer provide specific details based on some known state or other information. And look, a query of the cloud database shows that those logs are up there now. Let's have a look at the browser interface. I can use a MySQL style query to filter by just the logs I'm interested in. And from here I can go in and inspect the log metadata. Obviously this one's not very interesting since I didn't even take off, but you get the idea. So now you know how to use the Meala Python API to sync logs between a flight controller and the cloud with just a few lines of code. Thanks for watching.